Bonjour, mesdames et messieurs. I want to give you a few simple steps to get your first customer as a professional photographer. Step number one, you got to be proud of your work as a photographer. You know, you look around, your work is going to be as good as the mentors you look up to. If not, train, do workshop, watch tutorials, take more photos. You got to get to a place where your photo create an emotional impact. Okay, that's very important. By the way, if not the case, you can get my free toolbox and watch the training that comes with it. I'll show you a really cool workflow that has helped me get my work in 100 galleries worldwide and publish 7 coffee table books. It's all free, it's got presets, it's got brushes, it's got so many things. Anyway, so that's step number one. Step number two is you got to build a portfolio. You have to have something to show to people. So what I did when I started is I shot for free a couple of hotels, very fancy hotels, and just so I could get some amazing images. The hotels were really happy about it because they got some free photos, and I was really happy about it because I could show what I can do as a photographer. Now, why hotels? Because I believe today hotels, restaurants, and real estate agency is the easiest way to get your first customers to make money as photography. This 3 line of work needs tons of photos. And yes, there is competition, but if you follow, again, my toolbox and my workflow, you will be amazed at the quality of the photos you can take. So, build a portfolio, all right? Once you've built a portfolio, step number 3, and this one is hard and there's no cutting around it, you gotta contact 100 persons. Whether it's real estate, whether it's hotels, whether it's restaurants, all you have to do is contact them and say, hello, my name is blah, and this is what I can do for you, this is my work, here's my website, and you will be amazed to see how much people need photos. Real estate agents, restaurants, and hotels all across the globe need people like you, which are great artists. And if you follow these 3 simple steps, you should be getting your first customers. Now, I'll tell you a crazy story. When I started, my first 2 or 3 customers were very famous hotels. And they were so famous that I got at least 50 other hotels that called me over the next year to come because I got the 3 hotels. So really, getting into the business of photography is hard at first. It's like pushing a car that's kind of very heavy. At first, it's really hard, but when it gets going, it doesn't stop. So don't give up until you've spoken to 100 persons. It might be simple, but if you do this 1, 2, 3 steps, I promise you, you will be in business and you will be making money as a professional photographer like I've been doing for 17 years. I'll see you in another video. If you like this kind of content, smash the like button, explode the like button, because it really helps me if you click that like button. And tell me what you want to learn more in the comments. I try to do this sort of more like photography business video to help you make money with what you love to do. I hope that helps. I'll see you in another video. Mesdames et messieurs, au revoir.